Hi all, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm gonna teach about how we can import various files and how we can export various type of files using Python. Before going into it, I will talk about the pandas. So pandas having a vast library in their package which can help to read various type of files. Let's import the pandas package now. And once we import, we will call a data frame called df and we'll give the pandas library and we are gonna read an Excel file. So let's open the brackets and open the quotations. And this is the Excel file which we're going to import in your Python environment, which contains 4 columns and 10 rows, not 10 rows, it will be your 9 rows. And let's go to your folder and right click and copy the path and paste in the spider editor window and just change this slash into forward slash and then just execute this pandas package with this particular code and it's imported the df data frame as I told, which contains 4 columns and 9 rows. In Python, the index will start from 0 from so on, and this is how the data frame looks like. And if you see here, the integer value showed in a color format, and those who are in a string format, it was in the normal color. So it will help you to differentiate the integer columns and the string columns or the character columns, I should say. Now we will import a CSV file here and let's write one comment that we are reading a CSV file and we are creating one more data frame called df underscore CSV and we will call this pandas package and call the function read. As we're reading a CSV file, we'll write as read underscore CSV and let's go back again to the folder and we're going to call the CSV file here and copy the path, go to your editor window, paste over here and change the slash into forward slash and just run. You can see CSV underscore CSV file here, the same file which contains the 4 columns and 9 observations. Now we can convert the CSV file to a parquet file and which we can export this file outside your Python environment, which means we want to export this file to your folder structure. So what we can do, we can write a comment. We are exporting the CSV file to your parquet file and we will call this df underscore CSV and we are importing this file into a parquet file now. And just go here and copy the path and open the quotations and write the file name called test.parquet. We'll change the slash and just execute. And if you see here, you can see a dfe underscore CSV, which we have imported to your outside your folder structure. If you see here, we have just created now a test parquet file. So this is how you can import and export the files and see what kind of files you are using in your work. Based on your requirement of the file you want to read, change the extension names on the based on your requirement. Sometimes pandas won't support every file to read. See what kind of file you want to read. Suppose in my work I need a SAS files. So I use the pirate stat which will help you to read your files. and based on your daily work, see what kind of files you need in your daily work, and you can use that certain packages, import, and you can read, and you can export, and you can play with the data. Thanks for watching. If any more queries, please put your comments in the comment section. Thank you.